Hi guys, I don't know if you can hear me. Welcome to ocean viewing. I'm at the beach and I just want us to view the water together. Do you ever wonder sometimes what happens to ships that capsize? Like this ship that we are viewing right now, what would have happened to it? I don't want to go down and go so close to it. I'm not that strong in mind against the water. I just like to respect my distance. Apologies for those entering my video. I don't know who they are. So this ship, for instance, what may have happened to it and how long might have it been here? What do you think? Compare and contrast how dark this end of the beach is to how bright this side is. It's drizzling where I'm standing right now, but it's as though it's raining heavily there because you can almost not see any demarcation between the clouds and the oceans. But it's still a bit bright here. It's not really raining heavily here yet. Yeah. I think I may have gotten close enough to this sunken ship as I want to. I think it serves as a blockade of sorts because the water waves can push past it. So you can see people that are playing around it. They are strengthened in the fact that the real water waves is being blocked by the ship. I'm not sure I am that strong, so I am content watching it from here. I'll go closer. I don't know if you can see, there is one child that is swimming with the waves of the ocean. I'm not sure if you can see it as clearly as I can. But can you see that courage? Being able to come closer to the sunken, a bit capsized ship. I don't know how to describe it. The rains have increased now, so it's actually really raining heavier than it was. So I just wanted to show you close up view of the waters around the ship. Guys, nature is so beautiful, so beautiful. You can't even believe this. And then there is also these people walking around thinking I am not a Nigerian, shouting welcome to Nigeria because I'm making a video. I'm like, you guys, I'm Nigerian. Hi guys, I'm panting. It's still raining heavily, so I had to run. I ran as far like a minute or two, right? I didn't even know how far long I had gone. Let me try to show you guys the distance from where I ran to. Can you see? Can you barely see? Can you squint and see the sunken ship? I tried to bring down my camera, so I ran from that place. It doesn't look near it. It's a bit far, so I ran from that place to here because the rain started heavily. And it's fun I came here because I'm taking a video of this conference. I'm just enjoying myself. I am completely enjoying myself here. I can't lie to you, I'm completely enjoying myself. Hi guys, so it rained while I was here. So I wanted to capture the post-rain ocean look to see if there is any difference. So check, this is the post-ocean, the post-rain view of it. Does it feel any different? I noticed that the waters are closer than before. So before the rains, I could stand somewhere there and the water flowing down won't even get to me. Now the water is close. Can you remember this sunken ship? Can you see? Ouch! I'm almost falling down. It's still drizzling. So it looks like the rains brought forward the waves because it's hitting closer than normal. Can you see far back there? It's almost getting to the what they call it, the shore where we stand. That's the level. See, you guys. Then there is the fact that the clouds is now cloudy. The skies are no longer as blue as before. It's now dark blue and filled with rain. So yeah.